Okay, hello, my name is Muhammad Izzuddin. Now I will talk about introduction. First, project is the implementation of a can crusher machine that are safer to use and more efficient. Can crusher be machine that uh, crusher cans made of various material in the mechanical and related sector. To reduce the volume of cans, the can crusher machine is commonly employed in the beverage industry or in a scrap dealer's shop. This equipment is mostly used for space conservation, recycling, and it can be put wherever you like. Most foods such as cold and hot drinks and other beverages are now packaged in cans. That's all.
Hello guys, so now I will continue our presentation for working principle. My name is Muhammad Harisifim bin Muhammad Zulkifli. So for the working principle, can crusher is intended to smash waste cans into little bits that can be readily stored and moved from one location to another. As can are the finest means to preserve food. Their usage in food prevention is increasing daily. Another fact is that these cans are easily recyclable and do not have the same environmental impact as pollutants. However, when it comes to waste handling and transportation, these cans must take up as little space as possible to store and transport them in big quantities, which is where our can crusher comes in. The motor used in this project are the washing machine. The motor we use in the project are the prototype for more ideal motor to the can crusher machine mechanism. So for the equation to find velocity ratio and equal driver velocity over driver velocity. So next equation to find angle of contact. Angle of contact theta equal alpha minus 2a radian. And next equation to find the force on driver stick. Tension T1 over T2 equal E pi theta. And lastly, equation to find the pressure on hammer. Pressure P equal to F over A. So that's all from me. I will pass my presentation to next presenter. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Muzaffar Amin bin Rusnawi. My metric number is DD220098. So I will continue with the SolidWorks design of our project. So this is the previous design of our SolidWorks project, which is a can crushing machine. So far this is our progress, which is the body and frame of the can crushing machine. So we will continue with the SolidWorks parts of this design. So for the parts of this SolidWorks design, we have three main parts, which is first is the leg for our can crushing machine. So this for the first one, we have the leg with a dimension of 1 meter long and 80 centimeter in height. And for the second part is a crushing box. For the crushing box, a crushing sector which we will put a can inside the box. When we start the power supply, the motor will rotate and the piston will rotate and crushing the can inside the crushing box. And for the third part is the base. So the base is for the crushing box to be placed on top of the base for more stability. So as you can see at the crushing box and base there were gap. The gap is designed to let the can fall down when the can is put inside the crushing box, and it will be crushed, and the length of the can will be reduced to the length of the gaps. so it will fall down. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Muhammad Faris. Everyone beside me. So, along the progress of this project, there is problem. So, if there is a problem, there is also a solution for the problem. Okay, there is three problems that we face. There is SolidWorks design. Either we use the simple or the complicated one. For the size of the project, either we use big or small project. Then time and commitment for each our group member. Okay, for the solid good design, our group decide to use the simple design other than complicated one. So because we use the simple one is easy to us to make the design, and we easy to us to catch up the due date of the project. Okay, for the size of the project, we decide to use the big one other than small one, because we think that the small one is less can crash than other than big one, so we use the big one. So let's say for 1 minute the big can crusher can crash the can around 10 to 15 cans, while the small one is around 5 to 7 cans per minute. Okay, for the time and commitment, give everyone in the group give a good response, and they are easy to handle. So we know the student have others commitment from this project and other subject, so we need to divide our time clearly. So because there is we need to do assignment, need to study for the test, and we need to have our leisure time for uh, get rid of the stress. Okay. So everyone in our group members divide their time perfectly. So uh, the work progress is going smooth because they do the work from week to week. So the progress is, let's say, from the week 6 to week 13. I set the due date for week 13. So the progress percentage of the progress is rise, not rise and steady like that. So there is rise from the 30% to 50% to 70%. So uh, so thanks for everyone to give the good commitment for this project.
In conclusion, so far we have produced the basic design for this cane crusher, but there is still much that need to be improved to produce a product that can work more efficiently. In addition, we also plan to improve in terms of design, which is in general the design element plays an important role in determining the marketability to this product in the market, whether it is a big profit or otherwise it become an equivalent product to the existing one in the market.